Hello, welcome to my channel. Good to have you here. And this is my hair. Hi, hair. Hi, people. This hair was relaxed less than a month ago. I showed that in a short, I believe. And it does not look like it. Even the lady that relaxed the hair was like, wow, what's going on? Because I told her my hair is quite difficult to relax. I've tried the natural hair thing. It worked at some point. During pregnancy, everything changed. And then I cut my hair, and this is the regrowth. And I tried to manage the regrowth, and it was not working. And so I decided to relax it. This hair you're seeing is like the third time I was relaxing it. I did the first two by myself, and then this third one I decided to go to the salon to have it relaxed. And after sitting for so long, the scalp burned. It still came out looking as it's looking. Anyway, she did a nice job with the weaving. She didn't really want to come on camera, so I didn't have much clip from the salon. And here we are. I told her to leave one braid in the front so that I can individually fix the crochet there so I can look single instead of like crochet. Um I like how the braids turned out, although it wasn't what I was going for. Usually for crocheting hair I would prefer to do six big braids or eight at most. But I didn't even count this one. Like half of it is probably six or more than six. So um I moved, and so I've already gotten a hairstylist for where I am at right now, and I'm still looking for one. My hair kind of selects people. If you've got this experience, let me know in the comment section, because I'm a spiritual person myself, and generally my spirit selects people. I think this happens to everybody, but more heightened for some people than others, and I am one of those people. Now there's certain people that touches my hair and it would itch until I take it down and thoroughly wash it. Some people a few washes before my scalp, just calms down. One particular person some years back touched my hair, and my scalp was looking so red. People thought I was bleeding, and I was going out and they're like, your scalp is bleeding. I'm like, when I touch it, there's no blood. So how come my scalp is bleeding, right? Until I got home and then I checked through the mirror and I saw how red it was looking, and the itchiness from that hair was mighty. I didn't carry that hair for up to like 3 days. I had to take it down, wash my hair. And it was from that particular experience I then started being careful. As a matter of fact, for like a whole year, I didn't let any other person touch my hair because that experience was horrible. I was taking care of my hair myself. My hair thrived a little bit more than usual. Mm, my natural hair has been, usually I have like, I'll call it strong hair. Whether you agree with me or not is what it is, because back in secondary school, throughout secondary school, from JS1 to SS3 in Nigeria, I was on low cut. And even with low cut, I still have to relax my hair to even be able to comb it. Here I was really contemplating my choices. Did I really want to do this crochet? Because that second one was quite difficult to fix. Anyways, after the relaxing, I went straight to weaving, of course, and the crochet, which I have now carried for almost a month. It's currently January 5th today while I'm making this voice note. It's January the 5th. And Happy New Year if you're hearing me for the first time. And so far so good. This particular lady I met, I've had a better experience with her, even though sometimes she can have an attitude. And will I say she'll be my stylist? Most likely not. But I don't know. I'll try a few others and finally settle. So I decided to space the hair because I need air. I need breeze in that hair. And I was able to achieve it. I only just had to style it a particular way. I think I just used like the regular center pattern, one pack at the back, or styles on both sides, still maintaining the center part. That was how I carried it up till now because I didn't really go anywhere as much. At least not unusual place. I did a lot of shopping, did a lot of review this period. Meanwhile, no shame in selling myself. Um, if you want to cargo stuff from Nigeria to US, UK, hit me up. I can do that for you. The last one that I did, which was concluded this morning, was quite a hassle because they just changed their prices and oh, it's amazing. It's amazing. Anyways, for your shopping, food stuff, clothes, whatever, I'm gonna leave my number on the screen, my WhatsApp number, or perhaps my email, or both. I don't know. So you can reach out to me if you're interested. Anyways, I was able to complete the hair the next day because after I was done with the inside, so getting to the front, my dad came around and I had to stop to attend to him because I had not prepared anything. So I wasn't expecting him. So I had to go buy some stuff, make some food, and then I finished the hair the next day. And my plan was to get my nails done and all. I did not. I wore my natural nails throughout Christmas, New Year. Again, today is the 5th, and I have not still done nothing. I've been so busy. The only places I've been to are hospital, market, transport company. That's literally the only places I've been to. Hospital because my mom has been there for about 6 months. She had knee surgery, and so that has been my life for a long, long time now. And that's why I'm not ashamed to say I need clients. So if you know anyone, hit me up. Right? Refer me. Thank you so much. And right about now, I was just checking it out. I feel like the left side was more than the right side. I still had more, which I later went in to do. By the time I had finished the front first. So I kind of balanced it out. I think it looked good at the end. And I really liked the hair. You can't even really tell that I was actually reusing this crochet hair. Like, so I just raised it up then. It wasn't coming out of the pack. This should be like my second time using it, and actually it really did turn out well. Although I washed it first and soaked it with hot water, which kind of put it all back together again. So just in case you have crochet hair that you like to reuse that is already looking all raggedy, then that's what you can do to fix it, right? So yeah, this is how the hair turned out for December 7th, and then I finished it on December 8th, and it's currently January the 5th. And I'll be taking the hair down today or tomorrow. I'm also going to film that. So just subscribe to my channel. I also